So this is the build a cheap drag truck in automation and then race it in BeamNG challenge. The idea was to build a largely street legal truck, pickup of your choosing, without any custom chassis. This is a ladder frame, no carbon fiber, and the total cost has to be, as you can see here in automation, less than 10,000. I'm sitting at 94.81 right now, and I'm gonna try and get a time on this run. So first things first, get a little bit of heat into the tires. I don't know if BeamNG actually factors that or not, but it's worth a shot. So in order to time this, basically I'm going to stage up, and then staging is such a pain. Let's see, god damn it. So I'm staged, and then I'm going to start this timer, and then once this hits 10 seconds, I'll take off. I feel pretty good about that. I'll have to go back and take a look and over-revving the shit out of the truck. I'll have to go back and take a look at the footage and see what I ended up with. But this truck's been running pretty consistent, 11 and a half seconds, so we'll see.